All right, day 3, July 13th. Easy day, basically. Just basically, I ended up honing the cylinder walls and honing the lifter bores as well, and just cleaned them up. There was tiny bit of scoring marks, and it was minimal. And after I honed it real quickly, they basically went away. So they got cleaned up really good. So we're in good shape. So went through, honed all the cylinders and the lifter bores, and cleaned it all up, oiled them down real heavy with WD-40 and wiped them down. They'll be good to go, and now I move on to the cam bearings. Be next.